2 unanswered points by the Chameleons. Chamzon, block, coverage by Barbon. Chamzon again. Permentilla, Barbon with the dig. Pau de Guzman sets it up. Chamzon, easy over. Permentilla. De Guzman hits it from the back row. Permentilla makes it a 3-point run for the Chameleons. Nice looking serve. Bad pass there. Going to be an easy over for Barbon. Combination play. Permentilla block. Makaslang with coverage. Permentilla tries again. Got it again. Back-to-back points for Permentilla. And the Chameleons restore.
CPL on tour.
Both teams with 1 timeout remaining. Coach Suzurabara not calling it yet. Better pass. Chamzon block. Sapete with the easy over. Permentilla off-speed hit. She has scored the last 3 points for the Chameleons. 3. But already put up 12 points. Chance to put it away. Permentilla, why not? Not just yet. But a chance ball for the Chameleons. They set it up once again. Permentilla from the middle. And there it is. The winning point. The last 4 points of the Chameleons coming from the team captain, Kiara.